Today I am going to discuss about how to get maximum score in social science. Social science is an important subject and also scoring subject. A maximum student asked to me that how uh, we will get maximum marks in social science in the board examinations, mainly CBSE board examinations. Answer is very easy. If you read carefully with good strategy, you can get good marks in social science. Okay. Now I am giving to you some tasks which will be helpful for scoring well. Okay. At first, uh, I am discussing about syllabus about social science for class 10. Social science is the combinations of major 5 subjects. For theory, only 4 subjects: history, geography, political science, and economics. Like course structure class 10 theory paper, India Unit 1, India and the Contemporary World Part 2, marks 20. That is means history. That is history. Unit 2, Contemporary India, geography, 20 marks. Democratic politics Part 2, 20 marks, means political science. Understanding economic development, 20 marks, that means economics. Okay. And 20 marks for project and internal works. Okay. Total 80 plus 20, that means 100 marks. Okay. But how we will get maximum marks from 80 marks? Okay. Because in the board examinations, some students are feeling very nervous how to write in the exam paper, how we will how we will get maximum numbers. Okay. So uh, number one, you can focus only on NCRT textbooks and give equal time, equal work for every subject like history, geography, political science, and economics, because each subject carries 20 marks only. If you focus only single subject, and you will not get proper number, because only one subject carrying only 20 marks. So four subject like history, geography, political science, and economy, you should, if you will give proper and equal time, it will be helpful for you. And now I am discussing some tips about it. How to prepare for board examination? Read thoroughly NCRT textbook according to CBSE syllabus. One of the most important point. Don't skip a single line from NCRT textbook, which will help you especially for short answer type questions. Okay. Don't skip a single line from NCRT textbook. Okay. Next, uh, give equal time and value for history, geography, political science, and economics, because each subject carry 20 marks, total 80 marks. Mock test is essential, so do practice sample papers and year's questions paper within allotted time. Okay. Practice math questions and solve it carefully. Next is examinations pattern. Examinations patterns also, uh, you should knowledge about it, or you have got required about knowledge about it. The questions paper has 35 questions in all. The questions paper is divided into four sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. Section A, 20 marks. It has objective type questions of 1 marks. Is it it may include MCQ, fill in the blanks, very short answer type questions. Section B 24 marks. Short answer type questions of 3 marks is answer of the question should not exceed the 80 words each. Section C 30 marks. Long answer questions of 5 marks is answer of this question should not exceed 120 words each. Section D 6 marks. Section D is for math questions. It has two part 35A and 35B. 35A 2 marks from history and 4 marks from geography. Okay, and course structure and marks allotted already I have described. Okay, next, strategy for scoring all. Okay, strategy for scoring well, and important topics from history, India and the contemporary world. Part 2 history, the rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, the making of a global world or the age of industrializations, because optional you can read the making of the global world or the age of industrializations. Okay, print culture and modern world. 4 chapter mainly from history. Contemporary India part 2 geography, there are mainly 5 chapter for board examinations. Okay, 5 chapter you can prepare 5 chapter for board examinations. Chapter name is resources and development, agriculture, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy. Okay, next is democratic politics part 2, means political science. Here 5 chapter you can read and you can prepare for very well. Power sharing, federalism, gender, religion and caste, political parties, outcomes of democracy. In your NCERT books there are many more chapter also available, but you can read carefully mainly mentioned chapter. Okay, understanding economic development means economics. There are 5 chapter in your NCERT books, but only 4 chapter you can read very carefully. Development, sectors of Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and Indian economy. Okay, these are the important topic. Okay, and if you read carefully mentioned topic, you will have got maximum marks. Okay, and you can get in social science marks 100 out of 100. Okay, okay, it is easy, not very difficult. Okay, but require good strategy, hard work, smart work also. Okay, strategy for scoring all well. Strategy for scoring well. Number one, read the question paper carefully and which you are confident attempt them first. Next, write the answer to the point. Answers should be written point wise. Okay, write the answer to the point. Okay, unnecessary point don't include it. Write the answer to the point and answer should be written point wise. Underline the important points and keywords. Underline the keywords and important points. To keep it in mind about word limits according to the types of questions. Okay, word limit also be remember. Uh, use diagram, pie chart, bar graph, etc. especially for geography and economics. Use bar graph, pie charts, diagrams, etc. in geography and economics, especially for economics and geography. Map questions should be done with perfect location in given outline map of India. After completion, attach the map inside your answer book. Okay. And time management is also required. Before hand over the answer sheet to the invigilator, please revise it. Okay. Time management also be required. So student, please follow it. Follow this instruction, and I am sure if you follow this instruction and do hard work with smart work, and this strategy if you follow, you will have got maximum marks from social science. Okay, thank you.